Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm James.
And I'm Kelly. And we're 2 tickets around the world. So we hope you had a wonderful Valentine's Day. We wanted to make this video so you can get to know us a little bit more and learn more about our relationship.
Yeah, so we asked you guys to send us questions for us to answer, so let's answer them.
So we'll start off with the most asked question is, how did we meet?
Yeah, so we met in high school. I was a junior and she was a sophomore. We actually met in the lunch line.
I was a very awkward human and I was like, hi, I'm Kelly. And then I didn't remember his name for the next 2 months, even though I sat at the same table as him.
He's very awkward and I had a super crush on her, but eventually worked out.
Yeah, so now we're now together for 8 years.
Yeah, been together. Amazing. Love you.
Love you too. What was our first date? I know.
It's either the movies or World of Fun.
Yeah, so the movies.
The movies.
We went to see a movie. I didn't know we were getting dinner together, and
it's a dinner movie combo as always because I'm a gentleman.
we didn't know. And so I ate dinner before, and James didn't eat. So we had dinner at Wendy's while he ate, and then we went to movies.
Awkwardly.
Gotta love high school romance. How did we come up with 2 tickets around the world?
Mostly Kelly.
I asked a Facebook group if they had any ideas on a travel couples blog name that about 2 tickets around the world, and it was available, and kind of stuck with it. Where would you prefer to go, hiking or the ocean? I prefer hiking.
I prefer hiking as well, but preferably hiking near an ocean. So we do combine those two, that'd be amazing. But I think we definitely like hiking more than just chilling on a beach.
What has been your favorite trip together?
Do we have the same favorite trip?
I don't know.
What's yours? You go
Want
first.
to say it on the screen?
No.
No, let's see it there. Let's see
You
what it
go,
is.
you go.
No, 1, 2, 3. Go!
Yeah, it was
New
New Zealand.
What do we like most about traveling?
So many things to enjoy about traveling. Just seeing new cultures, seeing new people.
New scenery, because everywhere you go it's different. You don't even need to do it like throughout different countries. Like just going different places near our hometown was a lot of fun because we got to see so many more things that we didn't.
It's all about the adventure and
Just being willing to do something like different.
you're willing to go out there and try it.
What do we like the least about traveling?
Actually getting to your destination, like flying on planes or getting on the 6-hour bus that you have to get on to get to your destination, and
Just getting there, but once you get there, it's the best.
Yeah.
I'd also say returning home. Least part about traveling is like going home, because you have to go back to work, you have to be responsible again.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to try to read this one?
Qual è il posto più bello che hai visitato? It could be Italian. I think it's what's the most beautiful place that we've visited.
Most beautiful place. I'd say every place is beautiful that we've been to in their own way. But I think the ones that stand out the most, Venice, Italy. And then
Recently, the Philippines. That was extremely beautiful. Just all the islands and
What destination do you want to visit together next? I think both of us really want to go to Vietnam.
yeah, definitely Vietnam.
I think it'd be cool to go and do like a motorbike trip.
Yep.
What's the biggest struggle with what we do? So we are actually English teachers living in China.
Right.
And so we do travel a lot when we can. Right now, because we are living in China, we don't have like our friends and family. Finding someone to watch our cats.
Oh yeah, that's definitely one of the hardest things. Yeah, because we brought our 2 cats to China.
How similar or different are we as travelers? Very different when it comes to planning stages. I like to make sure we have things like we want to do, like not planned out specifically on days, but just like these are the top 5 things I want to do while we're there. James?
I don't like to plan anything. I just like to find things to do and we're there and then go out and do them.
If we had to live in one of the places we visited on vacation, which one would be our first choice?
I'd live in most of the places that we visited.
Yeah,
But only choose one.
I think I would live back in Spain. We lived there for 4 months and
I don't think that counts as a vacation.
we studied abroad. It was kind of a vacation.
Yeah.
mean-
I'd love to go back to Spain and live there. Alright, that was all the questions given to us. I hope you guys learned some more about our travels and our experiences.
Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.